This is 3-in-1 instant coffee. There are 100 bags in this box. They are on sale in Mart supermarket. Let's open it. Let's open it. One bag of coffee, about half cup of water. Good coffee smell. Good taste, not too sweet. Good. This is fish meat sausage with cheese. A typical savory Korean snack made by Haepyo, a famous Korean food company. You can buy this in Mart supermarket. Open it. There are 12 in here. 12. Use the red tag to open it. And there will be a cut. And use that cut to take out the plastic. Take a bite. Good fishball smell. Good fish taste with cheese. Very nice snack. This is a Korean egg cookies 3-in-1 pack made by CW. CW is a major South Korea food manufacturer company. I'm going to open it. Taste it. Smell like egg. Crispy. It's good, not too sweet. Drink this. This is a Korean dumpling. It's fully cooked. I buy it from Mart supermarket. It's made in USA. Let's open it. For 6 dumplings, put in microwave high for 2 minutes. In air fryer, 390 degrees for 12 minutes, and the skin will be crunchy. Try the one in microwave first. Some kimchi. The skin is chewy, the meat is tender and juicy. It's kimchi flavor, very nice. Let's try the one in air fryer. Some kimchi. The skin is crunchy. The meat is juicy and tender with a kimchi flavor, very nice. This is Wagyu marinated beef for grill. I buy it from Mart supermarket. So I put the Wagyu beef in air fryer for 5 minutes to grill. And there are different ways we can taste the Wagyu beef. I taste the original flavor. It's tender and juicy, a little bit sweet because it's marinated. Very good. These are 3 of my favorite ways to taste this Wagyu beef. This one is beef, lettuce, and kimchi. And this is seaweed, rice, beef, kimchi. And this is Wagyu beef cheeseburger salad. It's this 3 different kinds of way to eat it. So this. This one. Different taste and flavor, but they're all excellent. Great.